everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely recipe that is Indian inspired, made with soybeans and packed with protein. It will take us about 40 minutes to prepare this. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below. And now, let's get started. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to check out the rest of our recipes. Give us those thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us, and see you next time. Have a lovely weekend. Cheers!